Okay, so you turn the batteries on, let them go through their sequence. Don't need all 6 batteries, but I have them, so why not? All the batteries are running now, indicated by the little green light. And the batteries are putting out 64 volts.
Right.
Matter of fact, I'll show it to them again. .64 volts. That's at the batteries.
52.63.
63. And then if you go to the bus bars, you have 52.63. Okay. Have T-class fuses on both inverters. We're going to turn on inverter number 1. Comes on, starts the countdown. After the countdown, you get the warning light, but you don't get code 61. The very first time I did it, I had code 61, but I was able to go ahead and set the screen up to 2P2 and 2P1. This is 2P1. You notice there's no light on top, and it shuts off. Now we come over to inverter number 2, turn it on, you'll see the light comes on the light bar. And it starts the countdown. Once the countdown's done, you get the warning. No code, no 61 code, but that's what it's doing. The light bar went off. In about 30 seconds and everything shuts down. I've disconnected the connection between the 2 of them, so they're running individually. They have no communications. There's no communications to the battery. They're just powered by the batteries, and they should work as individual inverters. And they're not. All right, that ought to do it.